Good day, Chino Valley teachers. This is a quick tutorial about Google Meet. If you've never used Google Meet before, you should know that the Google Meet icon is in your class link. In fact, it's in everybody's class link. Every staff member and student has this icon on their class link page. The first time you tap on it, you may need to enter your district email and district password, the same that you might use for Google should you ever need to log into Google. When I tap on mine, I've already logged in, and so I will see in the upper right hand corner that I am in my district account. If I hover over or click this corner circle, I will see my district email, and that's very, very important. You will find that if there is a personal account that's logged in on your computer, sometimes it will switch into that personal account, so always verify. To start a meeting, I'm going to click on Join or Start a Meeting. And I can either leave this blank and receive a code, or I can name it. Today, I'm going to leave it blank and press Continue. If this is the first time I'm using my Google Meet app, I will be asked to approve my camera and microphone, probably up here in the upper left-hand corner. Once you allow your camera and microphone, you should notice a couple of things. First, this Join Now button will take you right into a meeting, even if you're the only one there. But right here, I have a code, and I have a colleague who's waiting for this code. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight and control copy and send to her right away. I have another option for sharing this, which I'll show you in just a sec. If instead I'd like to join my meeting, I can add people right here. And when I do that, it will send them an email. That might be a little slow, so that's why I showed you the link earlier. That link is also right here, and I can email that to somebody as well. Or click that, and it will copy it onto my clipboard and include the dial-in information for anybody who might be on a telephone. So my colleague should be joining me in a minute, and I will know she joins because she will just pop right on. This number up here will indicate how many people are in our meeting. Right now it's just me. And here's my colleague. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
We're recording right now, and I wanted everyone who's watching the video to see that some of the features if they've never been to Google Meet before.
Okay.
Over in the left, we have those meeting details in case I need to invite somebody in the middle of a meeting. There's a couple of ways to do it. One is to just send this information from the lower left-hand corner, and the other is to tap on the, what Stephanie likes to call Mr. Head and Shoulders in the upper right-hand corner, and I've got Add People right there as well. Stephanie, looks like you're in our office this morning, right?
I am.
Excellent. Are you going to have some Google Meets with teachers today?
Of course I am. And I've had a lot of community calls also, so I'm ready to roll.
Wonderful. Then we'll be quick here. Down here, as I float my mouse into the lower third of my screen, I can find that hang up. I can also find where I can control my microphone and the camera. If there are 5 or more people in our meeting, it will automatically mute all the other members except for the one who started the meeting. Also, that white ribbon at the bottom has turn on captions, which everybody in the meeting can do for themselves. And this is the most important button, Present Now. If I tap on Present Now, I can present my entire screen, which I typically do when I'm working with teachers and staff because I move around a lot. And I can select a window, which would just allow one tab in my screen to be the only thing, just in case I have things in the other tabs I don't want somebody to accidentally see. I could choose that. I'm going to choose my entire screen, and it shows me an image of each of my monitors. If I only have the one monitor, I would just see an image of one monitor. My colleagues can now watch this on video, and they will again be able to see that I'm presenting and can switch between screens. As I move between screens, we can see all kinds of content, whatever I need to share with my students, my colleagues, whoever I'm meeting with. But when I need to return back to my meeting, I'm going to look up here and find the tab with the red button. That takes me back to where the meeting is being held. And then, of course, I can tap here to stop presenting. Steffi, is there anything else we need to add for the first-time user for Google Meets?
I think that's great.
Thank you for answering all those community calls.
My pleasure. I'm going to get back to it.
All right, have a great day. Take care.
All right, bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.